on set today, shooting our newest Wildflower collab with Ming Lee. I wore baby fat in honor, and it's gonna be really cute.
Hi, I'm Ming Lee Simmons, and for my case, I just absolutely adore leopard. It's like my favorite thing on the planet. A fun fact about me is growing up, my mom always had leopard carpet in any of her closets.
I'm in one of Kamara's 10 closets.
And I just think it's a really fierce and empowering pattern. I think cherries are hot. That's hot. Look at how cute she is. She's so cute.
She's so cute.
Hello. There's no one on the phone.
So we're gonna go through a few of the looks. One of the ones we're leaning towards is this JPG vintage fur coat, which is gorgeous in the color, the cherries, cheetah, everything. We also have a Saint Laurent vintage jacket. And then another favorite is this Celine trench with matching pants. It's gorgeous. And a Celine very matrixy leather trench. This gorgeous dress from the Attico. The hanger doesn't do it justice at all. This Alaya archive with the hood is also just the best. There's also this gorgeous Caperni. Sits like this. I'm like a Pinterest fanatic, and Ming literally sent me one of my mood boards like back to me and was like, I saw you posted this, let's recreate it. And it was like Betty Boop and cheetah, very like sultry and almost like a little goth, but had like a girly touch. So that's kind of just what I went with. And then obviously I stuck to like all the neutrals and black and cheetah and red for the cherries. And that's kind of how it like all came together. I'm definitely one to like overpull. So we have like a ton of options. And then we have all these shoes over here. One of my favorites is the Jeffrey Campbell. It's like a red fur, it's gorgeous. These Attico heels also that are from the runway literally like 2 months ago. We have all the accessories over here. Lots to play with. My favorite are these Hermes gloves that I pulled from a vintage showroom. We have so many amazing brands, Lectra, Lily Clasp, all these people who gave gorgeous jewelry.
My sister is about to paint my nails. Welcome to the Carlson Nail Salon. Where we only have one color, and this is your only option.
Yeah, and I only do one hand, so. Oh, don't read my text.
Stop.
I'll do this one first, so you're not insecure.
We're going with red, so it matches the case that we're shooting today.
Look at this.
I'm obsessed with it. It is aligned with everything I love. Leopard print and cherries.
Okay. Oh.
Nice one. This isn't going well, by the way. Ming's nails look
so
unbelievable. She has 3D cherries on them.
I did them.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. You did such a great job. What's happening here?
Two things I'm not good at: ice skating and painting nails.
Our last 2 shoots. You learned though by the end, so maybe you can learn with this.
Okay, that one was so
That was
good.
a really good swipe.
That was such a good swipe. Yeah, definitely get a close up on that.
Yeah, definitely. Look at this gorgeousness. Sydney always has had crazy nails.
Okay, not anymore. What do you mean always?
Always. The Jagger era.
Stop. I used to. Nails by Sid. Nails by Sid.
Nails by Sid. So Sydney, what's your favorite song about cherries?
Your body's a wonderland. Cherry pie.
Cherry pie, cherry pie.
stop that one.
It's not the words.
I had cherry pie last night.
From where? And why wasn't I invited?
Actually, so on brand.
From where?
It was homemade, actually.
My favorite cherry thing is maybe a Shirley Temple.
What? The thumb.
What I did, what Sydney
Your
did.
thumb isn't done. Thanks for joining.
They actually look better than I thought. Thank you, Sydney. You did a great job.
No problem.
Oh my God, pretty. I know. Wait, I want to see the clips. It's a lot. Oh my God! I did a full alteration. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Yay. Oh my gosh. And your nails. Yay. Oh my God. We're so excited. Yay, guys. I'm so excited.